A flashing green light on your Rogers router typically means there's data activity, but no actual internet connection. Don't panic. This is often due to temporary glitches or minor issues. The first and often most effective step is to power cycle your modem. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the hardware and clears temporary errors. While that's happening, check the coaxial or fiber cable connections to your modem, ensuring they are secure and undamaged. If you're using the Rogers One app, it has a quick fix tool which will run remote diagnostics, initiate reboots, and even check your cable connections for you. If the problem persists after the modem restarts, continue to the next section for more in-depth troubleshooting. This resolves the issue for most Rogers customers, often as high as 60 to 70% according to Rogers support data. If a simple power cycle doesn't work, the problem might be more complex. Check for firmware updates for your router either through the Rogers One app or by logging into your modem's admin panel at 192.168.1. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues, and Rogers regularly releases updates to fix these problems. If you're still experiencing problems, consider your router's age. An older modem might simply be failing, especially if it's overheating. As a long-term solution, Rogers recommends upgrading to a fiber connection if available in your area, as fiber connections have more stable connections than cable. If problems persist after these steps, contact Rogers support directly at 1-888-764-3771 for assistance. Also, keep an eye out for scheduled outages in your area, especially during peak streaming hours, which can also cause flashing green lights.